Well, my voice stinks. Okay, hey guys, I'm Soccer, and here's the status update of this month. So, yes, this month is also going to be really busy, and it's going to be hard for me to keep up with my YouTube channel. But other than that, yes, I will definitely be adding 3 new OCs based off of 3 people that I guess I can know. Yes, I'm definitely going to try practicing my art more and more on the computer so that I can probably give you better animations, and I'm definitely trying to be smoother with my animation. I will be hosting a Q&A super soon, so you guys ask whatever crazy questions you want. I honestly don't care. You can ask whatever you want, but I might not answer everything because it's either it's gonna be too personal, or I'm gonna have trouble fitting it into the video, or it's just a question that I really don't have an answer for.